Working with legacy Visual FoxPro applications and have an FLL library file. This is a compiled extension for FoxPro database systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Microsoft Visual FoxPro library files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single FLL file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. An FLL file is a dynamic link library, DLL, specifically compiled for use with Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Developers create these files to extend the functionality of FoxPro applications with custom functions written in C or C++. Users encounter these files when a FoxPro program requires external routines for tasks like hardware interaction or complex calculations. The FLL format is a specialized Windows DLL, adhering to a binary structure that exposes functions through a specific FoxPro API. This design allows low-level, high-performance code written in languages like C++ to be seamlessly integrated into the higher-level FoxPro environment, overcoming performance bottlenecks and extending the platform's native capabilities. The developer of Microsoft Visual FoxPro, Microsoft Corporation, created the original specifications for FLL. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows cannot show the plugin's capabilities, so proper use requires trusted host applications. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your FLL file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual FoxPro is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. This FLL format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, loading in Visual FoxPro. Install Visual FoxPro 9.0 or earlier, and use the set library to command in your FoxPro application to load the FLL file. After loading, the library's exported functions become available for calling from FoxPro code. This extension mechanism powers many specialized FoxPro applications. Next, examining with dependency. Walker. Open the FLL file in dependency walker depends.exe to inspect exported functions and required system DLLs. Since FLL files are based on Windows DLL format, dependency walker reveals the library's interface. This analysis helps developers understand legacy library functionality. Finally, migrating to modern frameworks. Microsoft discontinued Visual FoxPro in 2007, making migration to modern platforms important. Rewrite FLL functionality in C/.NET or other current technologies. Reverse engineer the FLL functions through documentation and dependency walker analysis to recreate equivalent functionality in supported development environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.